New steering wheel in the Shelby? Messing with the airbag? What could possibly go wrong? Like, subscribe. Upgrading the steering wheel on the 2011 GT500 today. Car's got about 50,000 miles and the steering wheel's starting to show a little wear. Let me show you what I mean. You also may have noticed that I've had a little help with the camera work today. That's the handiwork of this guy right here. Good job. Love everything about the car. This is by far my favorite Mustang that I've owned. I've lost count, 12, 15 of these things. But this is bugging me. So if you look at the Alcantara right here, previous owner, prior to me owning it, really did a number on that. That's kind of matted down. No, not a huge deal, but it kind of bugs me. And it makes the car look older than it is, in my opinion. And the other thing that bugs me is, and I'm sure y'all have had this too, I don't like how the buttons chip off like that. So, what I did, I got a new steering wheel. New one is all fresh and new. Buttons are all perfect. I got this on eBay. I think it was Fairview Ford. Listed it on eBay. I got it for about 240, 250 bucks. Not a bad little upgrade to make it look brand new. Right, Alex?
Yep.
So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to pop those covers. There's one on each side. Right there. Take those bolts out. That should allow us to get the airbag out. There's 2 wires back in there, 2 or 4 wires. We'll pull those, and then there's a giant nut right in the center. Pull that, and this should pop right off. Piece of cake, right? What could possibly go wrong? Because I'm dealing with the airbag and I don't want the thing to go off in my face, I figure I'd disconnect the battery. Safety first. Conveniently, the screws on the side of the steering wheel are also an 8mm, just like the battery cable. So that's nice of Ford to think of that stuff.
And now it's time for the awesomes. Once you get those 2 screws out, you just gently pull it out. You need to unclip these 2 wires.
Now that the airbag is out, it was just those 2 clips and the airbag fell right out. Now we gotta disconnect that little connector right there, and then that nut right there, which I believe
I think I know how.
is a 15/16.
I can't unconnect. I don't know how to do it.
I'll help you.
Woo! Hurt my fingers.
Ooh,
Oh! Dad, you do it.
Alright, piece of cake. Good job, dude.
I know it.
Now, give that thing a tug. Will it come off? Oh, is there wires?
Yep.
Ooh.
Like 1 wire. Nope, 2 wires.
Okay, we'll disconnect that, and we should be good to go. Oh, I got my finger in the
There's
shirt.
also a T-bolt. Well, there's a bolt in there. Wait.
So after that big center nut, the steering wheel pops right off. There's 1 connector right there that you need to squeeze off. And just side note, so I made sure that my steering wheel was straight up and down, so that you put it back on straight, because there's a couple little divots there to make sure that you get it lined up straight. So we'll unclip that, take this off, put the new one on.
Yeah. And I also have something to make the bolts more tighter. I'm going to show you what. It's this. It's
What do you
red.
got? Oh, geez. What do you got?
It's this. It makes all the screws tighten, and you might see me even do it.
So undid the little plug in the back and Steering wheel comes right off.
You basically just have to like, see this and this? There's something right here and you have to like push that thing and you have to push hard. And when you push it hard, you can pull that thing out.
Yeah.
And then these two things,
Uh-huh.
this thing right here, pulls both of them out somehow.
Yep, you gotta squeeze the clip, right? To let it
And
release.
here's the old steering wheel.
Yep. Time to put the new one on.
I can hold it. Ta-da! Don't. I already did.
Good job, dude.
So,
get that little plug. Plug it back in.
Yep, get that little teeny plug right there.
Clip.
When you do that, just have to get
Pull the airbag wires through.
Yeah.
Ooh, I don't want that pinched like that though.
Yeah, he doesn't want that.
I'm gonna reroute those so that it's free. Not getting caught up by other wires. There. And then that fits somehow.
This guy's name's called Jason Mead.
Thanks, honey.
Jason Otis Mead.
No, that's Papa's name. That's not my name. Okay, so we got it back on there. I'm just gonna bolt it in. I left the plastic on it so I didn't jack it up in installation.
And
Highly
this
recommend
is like
that.
a gun. You hold it right here and go. Chicka,
It's
chicka.
not a gun, it's a stack of sockets. One tip, make sure that you line up, there's a little cutout in the steering wheel for the connector to fit into. And you can pull the wires through right there, so make sure that's lined up and then everything bolts around. Really easy job. If 5 is a master mechanic and 1 is a total noob, this is like a level 2 job, piece of cake.
Yep.
So on to, Alex,
What?
get the Loctite.
Yes! Just put one little drop.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Just one. It's like
Oh,
water.
gee.
Good. Can you put some down on the thread in the middle where the blue is? Kinda. Kinda. That's good. Perfect. Good job.
It's dripping! Just getting that thing screwed. Just so you know, this is not my papa, it's my dad.
Yep. And I've got torque wrench-esque muscles. So yep, that's 100 foot-pounds of torque right there.
We call my dad's muscles big nut muscles, right, Dad? Dad, can you show that your muscles? That's like a big nut.
You're a funny boy. Thank you, bub. Okay, so screw is tightened, wheel is straight. Then we just have to reconnect the airbag. Black and gray connectors, black and gray ports. You can't screw that up, that's idiot proof. And then you pop the thing back in. Okay, airbag popped right back on. You just make sure that's lined up. There's little, like, they got little tension tabs on it where you can kind of feel it. I put the screws back in the side. You can feel that torque down right on the airbag. It's good. I might leave that plastic on there for a couple months just to keep it new because I'm weird like that. So hook up the battery, make sure that we don't have any weird lights and all the buttons work, and we're good to go. Does anybody else do this? Like you're about to turn the key after having the airbag off and you just got like this airbag's gonna like in my face. Let's do this together. This will definitely go viral if this airbag goes off in my face. Oh, she's good. I think we have success. Buttons work. Good to go. Like, share, subscribe, comment, help me build the channel. So then I get to do more fun stuff like this. Thanks everybody. Changing out the steering wheel in the 2011 Shelby GT500. What could possibly go wrong? We're just playing with an airbag.